That is it. Simple. Damn, Tom, you're fat in that shirt. That's skirt them more. Come back again, mate. Fam, fat in that skirt in my youth.
Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have loaded nachos, okay? And before you watch us eat this delicious loaded nachos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. What are you waiting for? You're taking too long to subscribe now.
Thank you very much.
I sounded like a country.
Yeah.
It took too long to subscribe.
Thank you very much.
Now.
Let them know. Let them know.
You see, I got my braids in. Black girls and her braids. A black girl and her braids.
I wanted to see who.
A black girl and her braids.
I wanted to see who recognized my. You gotta tell them. I'm never gonna set up. I'm gonna see them pick it up. Man.
A black girl and her braids. A black girl and her braids. What you guys been up to? Have you guys missed us? We have missed you guys.
No cap.
Guys, we were in Jamaica for 2 weeks, y'all. We was chilling with the family.
Yep. We had a good time. Thank you for the hospitality, mommy. It's a good one.
That Airbnb, my mother-in-law's house, I call it Airbnb. It's spectacular. I give it a 5.0.
5.0.
5 stars. At first, I gave her a 4.5. Okay, towards the end. So she said, "Why you give me a 4.5? I said, "Because you didn't bring the TV out in the games until like our last night or 2 nights." But she made it up because she did some stuff to make it up, so that's good.
Very good. Yeah. And we also have a vlog coming. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned for that vlog. We'll show you guys where we went, what we did, who we saw, what we ate. We had a great time.
Beautiful time.
So
that's what we was, Grammy.
Nachos. Loaded nachos is Dorito chips and regular nacho chips, ground chicken seasoned with taco seasoning, rice, black beans,
every damn thing,
cheese, lettuce, and tomato. And sour cream on the side. What you guys been up to?
For real? Nobody checking on us. I'm surprised nobody checking on us.
We went to Guns River Falls.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
We went to this river. It was really nice.
What was it called again?
Yes, I mean, no.
Caymanas.
Caymanas?
Yeah, Caymanas River.
It was really nice. Really nice. We'll definitely go back. The water was cold though.
Beautiful. Have you ever visited Jamaica?
These are the pickles I'm using.
You ever been to Jamaica, family? Visit Dun River Falls. Beautiful. Beautiful.
I have to say. Some of my chips are burnt, but that's alright. So I put it on boil. And I really boiled the crap out of it.
Good. You gotta talk with your man. You want to pickle them.
Pickle? You like the pickle too, honey? You too follow fashion, man.
I'm eating. I like pickle.
Everything when yam, you want to yam.
I don't eat pickle, but I'm gonna eat them today. I'm hungry. Right? It was fun. You been there too? Come on. Did you climb it all the way, or you took the stairs? Look at that.
Look at that.
You took the stairs. You didn't climb it all the way. Try and trick me.
Yo. Let me tell you. Duns River, it's fun going up and coming down, like going up Duns River and then coming down. But when you gotta go back up the steps, oh Lord, that was a workout. Not for you, right? Whatever.
Nice. Oh, it's beautiful though. And you know what's funny, family?
These camera hugs, camera look.
Hey, look.
Oh, look.
Look good.
And the green sauce, honey? I'm good. Let's how this tastes.
Yes?
I don't think I need that. I can't say this taste with it. What were you saying, honey, about the Dunn's River is beautiful?
Beautiful. That's my first time ever going there, family, and I used to live in Jamaica.
Yeah, me too.
First time. I went to the big Dunn's River. Yeah, little Dunn's River and big Dunn's River. That waterfall was no joke, family.
And the rocks are slippery. There was so much people. But
A lot of tourists.
it's beautiful.
Beautiful. It was a good look, family. We had a great time in Jamaica. We missed China, but we had to get that vacation out. It's a planned trip. It was planned for a while.
Oh my God, we had so much fun with Ashley, Jabari. Big up on herself.
Big up the fam.
Big up Richie.
Big up everybody. You know that already.
Chicken Man.
Chicken Man, big up yourself. Big up Dante. Everybody.
Everybody. We had a great time.
It was a good look. Y'all seen the vlog. All those people they would call, they'll be in the vlog. You know what I'm saying? It was beautiful.
Yeah, we wanted to eat. We wanted to eat something quick and simple. Not time. Nothing too.
Nothing too special.
It tastes good, though.
But it is good. Thank you for asking. No. No, you say it's always good. Your food is always good. That's why Richie eat it. It's true. I loves it. But other than that, from the joke aside, how y'all been? How y'all been? Oh, everybody been safe? No? Over here, school's about to start back. When school start back for y'all kids? Taco man, when y'all make this, family, if y'all make it, how y'all make it? Just like this? What y'all put here? No, I want to ask. Our first ladies is busting. Okay, you our daughter says busting. Guess what, family? School volleyball's starting back up.
Yep.
You know we outside.
So you still watching and you didn't subscribe?
For real. You see that, right? Now, do it now. Before it's too late.
Participate.
Yeah, if you want to do it now, you won't participate. You heard the first they say? Yeah, just take a time. Just hit the bell. Yes, hit the bell, but also hit all. Okay?
Family, if you guys remember, when I told you guys about that cup, Richie still has that cup. It's only because we've been gone for 2 weeks. Because I soon got the garbage.
I still got it, family. So I have a couple of them. Couple of here.
Yeah.
Oh! Happy 60th Independence Day for Jamaica, family.
Big up yourself.
Big up all Jamaican. Bop! This is beautiful. Wow, Baba, straight up. Y'all fuck it up.
Last time, I'm gonna tell my story. Last time my brother-in-law was here, they call him Plug.
They call me Plug.
Right? And he stopped by. So he said, "Shanice, what are you cooking today?" I said, I'm gonna make some nachos. No, lies. I'm gonna make some tacos. So he goes, tacos? I said, what's wrong with tacos? He said, why every time I come here, you always making tacos or bullshit? I want oxtail and curry gold and stew peas and fried chicken RFC. I said,
you want too much.
You want too much? Every time I eat tacos or nachos, I think of him because He was so pissed off, but he fucked those tacos up. Oh, I tell you, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yes. Yes, it's coming. She's going to show you that chiropractor video. Man.
Oh, yeah, it's coming. It's coming. We've been on vacation, so I haven't been able to edit it.
No editing. We was on vacation time. We was on timeout time, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So now we back. So you going to get it. We see y'all asking for it. You going to get it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Wow.
Ooh. Busting, guys, busting.
Yo. May I mash up everything inside now?
I know. I bet you y'all got fast, man. Like a freaking roller coaster.
You know, I'm more too small, Mario. Private, it is that good. Nowhere. Ah. Wow. It's great. It's great meal. It's nice.
Sour cream?
Family!
Where?
Anyway, you see that one person that win all that money, family?
Oh my god. He was in Jamaica when it happened, right?
Family.
I'm so mad. I'm happy for
I'm
that.
happy that person, but listen, family. When it's a big jackpot like that, I rather multiple winners.
They should do it like that.
You know what I'm saying? What one person gonna do all that money, family?
But they don't want to do that. You know what they should do? Like Richie said, make it multiple.
Yeah.
They should break it up where they're gonna play the number, play it, let's say 10 times.
Yeah.
So that, and then they divide the whatever billions it was by 10. And then if you win, then one person get their cut. Then they play another number, then the next person get a cut. Come on now. That's a lot of money.
Oh.
Too much money, too fast.
You waited so long to say you like first date here? Come on now. I know y'all been sorry when the video started already, you know? I was hoping she didn't say it because I wanted to see who pick it up. But knowing our family members,
they're gonna pick it up.
Yeah, I see everything. You know what I'm saying?
Like I said, a black girl and her braids. A black girl and her braids.
Hey.
A black girl and her braids.
Hey.
A black girl and her braids.
That's right.
Right?
Yep.
There you go.
First I got braids. And it was done in Jamaica. From America. Yep. You gonna tell them how much you pay for that? Or you not gonna tell them?
Get to the money.
No, tell them. Check out that. Stop. Food nice, man.
See myself here?
Wow, this is so good. I'm finishing it all, family. Not playing no game. I'm hungry today.
I put a lot on here.
A lot. I had a long day. Shout out to all our family members, you know. Again, we appreciate y'all for rocking with us, you know. Family members, the viewers, you know. Shout out to every single one of us. Every single one of y'all. Appreciate y'all, you know. You could have stopped a lot of places, but thank you for stopping here. Thank you. Wow. Now, Sam, what did you eat? Family, you know what? Sahi, I ate up all the food myself.
Whatever.
My goodness gosh.
I ate.
You ain't nothing. Fam, all this was full. It's all good. I'm hungry. Wow. I was hungry.
Like I said, if you wasn't here, I think it'd still be full. It looked like I didn't eat not one crap.
I know. Thank God I'm here.
Thank God you're here.
Start your full man. Look at that.
I am full.
That is it. On the bottom.
Oh, the yacht is it.
That is it. Yeah. Look at that. Why you call it sour cream? Or not sour?
I don't know. I think I had a little tanginess to it. I don't know. This is really good. Really, really good.
Tom. You know, one thing, man. I don't know about food, no? I don't know about food.
That's alright. That's alright. That's alright. Oh my gosh. When we first got to Jamaica, first thing we ate was what?
Let me see if they know. Comment down. Yes. We were at 17 minutes in the video. Comment down. Let's see who watched the video. What's the first thing we ate when we went to Jamaica? Anybody get it? They get that big shout out. Yeah. Make a line, don't push it out. Okay. Let's see.
Let's see.
They don't get that far.
Let's see who wanna be.
Full time? Here's more. Come back and finish it. So what? I'm eating it all off. Okay, is it full?
I'm full.
When my first lady full, no more going.
As soon as I got home, guys. Let me tell you what happened. While my husband's getting the word ready. I was good in everything in Jamaica. Except I had a little bubble guts, but that's okay. So I was good. We bleached the night before, okay? In Jamaica, that means we stayed up all night. Basically, we bleached because by the time everybody left, the night before, the house was packed with people. We was playing Ludi, was hanging out. It was really fun. When they left, by the time they left, it was like 2 in the morning. Everybody left. And then now we're fixing our suitcase. We started packing, but, you know, people was there, so we couldn't really pack how we wanted to pack. So when they left, me and my mother-in-law, Miss Judith, she helped me pack the suitcase because each suitcase was a little bit overweight, so we had to do a little shimmy, right? So we finally got the suitcase them how we want to get them done. Good. This is like 3:30 in the morning now. We gotta get up at 5 o'clock. So what sleep? We didn't sleep. We bleached. We stayed up and just laid there. Got up.
It's a good look.
Now because I didn't sleep, when I don't sleep, my allergies act up. Or if I get too cold, like, my allergies act up. So I didn't sleep, and it was cold on the plane. But I took a Zyrtec and some NyQuil and went to bed. But it's getting better. But it's allergies, okay?
It ain't no Rona. Allergies. All right. Ready for the first lady? That was delicious.
It was good. I could tell.
As you can see, family, there's no shame in my game. All right. Family. First lady, viewers, subscribers, listen to this. Okay? All right. Success depends upon previous preparation. And without such preparation, there is sure to be failure. You didn't hear that? I didn't understand that.
No, say it again, Tom.
I don't think. Talking to my teeth. I don't think you understand that. If you didn't understand it or you didn't hear me, okay, I'm gonna say it again. Family, success depends upon previous preparation, and without such preparation, there is sure to be failure. If you can relate, relate. If you want to participate, you participate. But thank you for rocking with us. We appreciate every single one of you. Yes, you, right? Newcomers, family members, viewers. I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady. They are.
And you guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Remember, that is it. Simple. Damn, fam, you're fat in that shirt. That skirt in my damn. Come on again, mate. Fam, fat in that skirt in my youth.